Hello and welcome back to our series. We already have studied about file handling and basic of file handling, and let's move with file handling to read multiple lines and getting data of a specific line with that file which have commas in between two different words that we have to separate. Let's create the project. I will go with console application C++, and I will say that file. Just I will say file here. Let's finish it. Let's get the main file here. It already gave us main file here. Now first of all we have to add some heading. Before that we will go to find that main file, as here is file and this is main file. Now in this file we will make on text document. It will be .txt file. I will say that file. Let's check it if it is txt file or not. As it is the txt file, we can make other file also, but we will work on txt file, and I will insert some data here. I will insert name, gender, address, and jobs. Only 4 field I will insert here. Let's make first for Harry, address I have gender is male, and address we will let's make it email address harry@email.com, and he is freelancer. Let's make another Lawrence, female, and lw@email.com, and she is student. Let's erase this space also. We can use space, or we may go without space here. Let's save it. Let's check it file if it's save or not. As we have save it, let's minimize it and we will go here. First of all we have to include some heading file. I will include, first of all we should include the file reading, that is fs stream, file stream, and we are going to work with string, so I will include string heading also. Let's make fs stream. I will make data stream here ds. I have given the fs stream as a ds. Now I have to open file ds. Let's make fs file streams. So file stream dot open. I want to open file.txt. It should be in same folder, or if you are giving from other folder, you have to paste here all the path of this file. Let's open it in all mode. We can write or read here. First of all I will go to read file. Let's close it also. In between this we will write the code. Let's make it first while we for line, every line it get line, and we have to pass file stream here, this file stream, and object that we have open here, and we have to string something here. that should be in string. Any variable that should be in string, I will set line, means we are getting line here, line 1, line 2, line 3 here. Let's simply print the line here, then see what we will get here. Cout line, and I will break line here. Sorry, we need not to do this because we have inbuilt function endl and line. Let's save it and run it. What we will get here, it should read data. Yes, it has a read data and it have saved in a string. This is the advantage of using string, because we can use whole string. Otherwise, if we use character here, we have to give something line and array of the character, something 100, 200, and it is more bad practice. We use string here. But I want this name, gender, email address and job in separate line. Let's I want to make count, so that we count, sorry, I will make int, I will make I is equal to 1 here. I will print here just detail of line, and I will pass this here, that is I 1 2 3 4. It will I is equal to I plus plus. It should be incremented before or after this line. Now we want to read each and every line, so we need another adding file, that is include we have to include ss stream. This is string. What will it will do, it will make the string and it would help us to divide file. First of all, we have to make here string here. Let's make string here, string stream, sorry, string, it will make the buffer here, like let's say this same ss, and we have to pass this line, means that variable we have get all the string of one line, and it will make it separated for this line. Now we can access from this string. How we can access? It will measure, it will separate by comma, and we will give the separation line next line. Now we have to type get line. How will we get line? We are passing this variable here, ss we have declared here, that is of string stream type, not any character float string. It is string stream type, it is another type. This is also a data type. Now we have to pass here variable. First of all, we will let's declare the variable here at the first line. I will make variable of string name. I will make a string of, there may be what after name, gender, that is gender. Then after I will make the string of email. Then I will make the string of job. Now I will pass here, first of all I want to get name here. It will get serial wise here, like this, first, second, third, fourth, like this. It should be pass here, first, second, third, fourth. It will not access independently, and I will separate by comma. This will separate by comma. let's copy this and same thing will happen here. Let's paste all. Control V, and I want to make it gender, because all we have to pass stream and we have to pass comma, because we are separating by comma. Email, and we have to pass here job. Let's print all. Cout. I will print systematically. Name is equal to, I will pass this only, and I will pass here name, and I will pass here line break. We can pass directly here any string here. Gender, it should be same as this. Gender should be here. You can alter in this position. You can write first gender, name, job, email. You can print in any order, but you should get in right order. This variable should be get in right order that the file contain. Let's go to print gender here, and I will again print line break, and I will print with line break email, and it should be give email here, and I will print job, sorry, again line break here. With line break I will print line break job is equal to job. Simply I will pass this, and let's run it. Let's run it and see what we will get here. Yes, detail of line 1. Let's take this also. Detail of line, this line 1, this is a name Harry, gender is male, email is harry@gmail.com, that is third line, and this is freelancer. Here I have not give line break in last point, so I am getting this line here, and I have get a line break, and same job is student. Here we are getting all the things as we want. This is how you can read the file with comma separated. In next video you will use to enter this file. We will open in append mode, and we will append any content, and we will make their while loop for making decision. Every time we will run that. Now let's make here endl and run it again, as it is giving me 2. Let's change the file to here. I want to change file here. Copy this and paste in next line, and I want to make this CKSON Jackson. Sorry, I will make it ME. Female AMMI was software engineer. She is engineer. Let's save it and again run it. Let's this close. Now again run it. Yes, we have get line 3 also here. ME female me@email.com and engineer. This is how you have read the file with comma separated file, and this will use on making some project. You can make this project in printing the detail of the student or storing the detail of a student. We have does the same example in Python series in previous series, and I want to link that videos series, and I want to give you assignment of making same program in C++ that I have made in Python by using same. There you have to get the concept what that program is doing, and you have to write in C++ as I have given this by comma separated file, and we will insert in the file by separating our variable with commas and inputting that variable, and we will search in the file in next video. Thank you for watching this video. Let's terminate it and meet at next video. Thank you.